Welcome. In today's guide, we're addressing a common issue many users face: Pinterest notifications not working on PC, especially after the latest update. If you're experiencing this problem, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to resolve it quickly. First, try closing your browser and then reopening it. This simple step can often refresh your session and resolve minor glitches that may be affecting your notifications. Next, you should log out from your account. To do this, click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your Pinterest page. Once you open the Settings menu, select Log Out. After logging out, log back in by entering your email and password, and then click Log In. This process can help reset your account's connection to the notification system. If notifications are still not working, consider restarting your device. Press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button. Sometimes, a fresh start can clear up any lingering issues. Next, it's essential to check your internet connection. From the notifications area on your taskbar, click on the network icon to ensure you are connected to a stable network. If necessary, switch to another network to see if that resolves the issue. Another critical step is to verify your notification permissions. Click on the View Site Information icon, which is located next to the web address in your browser. From there, navigate to Site Settings. Under the Permissions section, find Notifications and ensure that the option is set to Allow. If it's not enabled, adjust it accordingly. By following these steps, closing and reopening your browser, logging out and back in, restarting your device, checking your internet connection, and verifying notification permissions, you should be able to fix any issues with Pinterest notifications not working on your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Pinterest effectively. Happy pinning!